Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to recall simple things like names or even why you opened your phone? You're not alone. Memory issues and brain fog are becoming more and more common. But what if I told you that the solution might be hiding right under your nose, literally in your own home? Think about how frustrating it is, forgetting important things, missing deadlines, or losing focus right when you need it the most. It's like your brain is betraying you, right? Maybe you've tried those so-called brain boosters or memory supplements, but let's be honest, they don't always deliver. And the side effects? Not worth it. But what if there's something already in your home, something you'd never expect, that can help improve brain power and supercharge your memory? I know it sounds strange, but this is a natural method discovered by researchers at Harvard using a common household toxin. And no, it's not some fancy supplement or magic pill. Think about how much easier life would be if you could remember everything effortlessly. No more embarrassing moments forgetting names, no more missed appointments, and no more mental fog that holds you back. Imagine the confidence you'd feel knowing your brain is working at its peak potential, sharp and focused. You deserve that clarity. So what's this natural trick? Well, it's something so simple, yet so powerful, that it's probably already sitting in your kitchen or bathroom right now. But the key is knowing how to use it correctly to unlock its brain-boosting benefits. Harvard researchers were stunned by the effects of this household toxin when used the right way. This isn't just some hack or gimmick. Top minds from Harvard have been studying this natural method, and they've found a way to harness it for improving memory and cognitive function. People who've struggled for years with brain fog and forgetfulness are reporting amazing results just from using this common household item in a very specific way. If you're ready to take control of your memory and boost your brain power, click the link in the description below. It'll take you to a short video that explains exactly how you can use this simple household toxin at home today. Now, I know how it feels to deal with memory problems. I used to be constantly forgetting things, even basic tasks like locking the door or what I was supposed to buy at the grocery store. It was frustrating and embarrassing. But when I discovered this natural method, everything changed. My focus improved, my memory got sharper, and the mental fog just disappeared. It was a total game changer, and I know it can work for you too. You don't need to keep struggling with memory loss or relying on ineffective pills. The answer is already in your home. You just need to know how to use it. Click the link in the description below to watch the free video and discover how to apply this powerful natural trick for yourself. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Improving your memory and brain power doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones hiding in plain sight. This natural method has already helped so many people, and I can't wait for you to experience the results for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description right now and watch the short video that reveals how you can use this simple, common household toxin to boost your brain and improve your memory. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more life-changing tips like this one. See you in the next video.